Hi friends, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Now, let's dive into today's topic. You're setting up a part on the milling table, and everything looks fine to the naked eye. You tighten the clamps, press start, and a few minutes later, disaster. The cutter leaves a stepped edge because the surface wasn't truly level. That tiny misalignment? It costs time, money, and a lot of frustration. It happens to beginners and experienced machinists alike, especially when relying on guesswork or just a steel rule to check setups. That's why there's the dial test indicator, or DTI, a simple, powerful tool that takes the guesswork out of alignment and precision. A DTI uses a sensitive lever arm connected to a dial gauge, amplifying even the smallest movements on a workpiece surface. As you sweep the contact tip across a part, the dial instantly shows whether it's perfectly flat, running true, or slightly off. This tool is a game changer because it allows you to see errors far smaller than the human eye can catch, often down to just a few microns. That means you can align vices, set up workpieces, inspect surfaces, and check runout with total confidence. Key benefits? The DTI is lightweight, easy to mount on a magnetic stand or a tool post, and extremely versatile. Whether you're setting up a lathe, a mill, or checking fixtures on an inspection table, it gives you precise, repeatable results every time. In short, a dial test indicator makes your machining safer, faster, and far more reliable than traditional methods. If accuracy matters, and in engineering, it always does, this little tool belongs in your toolbox. Hello friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really supports us in growing this learning community and bringing you more practical industrial and manufacturing knowledge. And if you enjoyed this clear and simple explanation, be sure to check out our earlier video on the bore gauge, where we broke down its operation, common mistakes, and accuracy tips in the same easy-to-follow, relatable style. You might discover something new to make your measurements even more precise.